Why buy and overpay for vanilla sugar when you can make it yourself? I think it is fun to create things from scratch. It somehow gives you more connection to your food rather than when you just buy it from a shop. Moreover, the stores are overfilled with vanillin, which is an artificial form of vanilla aroma, and the stuff that contains actual vanilla beans is much more expensive per kilo. But as I said, for me it's not just the savings, but also this deep soul connection you get when you prepare these things by yourself. So the recipe is super simple. It has just two ingredients: bourbon vanilla pods and sugar. I use a ratio of 150 grams of sugar per one vanilla pod. You can make it more intense and more expensive by using less sugar per vanilla pod. You can also use brown sugar if you like. I go plain white sugar here. So, after weighing your sugar in a mixer cup, let's open up the vanilla beans. For this, place a vanilla bean flat on a cutting board, stabilize it in place with one hand. With the other hand, using a sharp knife, poke the top of the vanilla pod with the tip of the knife where you are holding it together with your fingers. And by pressing down, pull the tip of the knife all the way through the length of the pod. Now use a small knife to scrape out the jammy seeds. Scrape out all of them, as they are really precious. Swipe the seeds off of the knife blade into the mixer cup with sugar. Now set up your mixer. Make sure you close the lid. And blend it finely until those micro seeds spread evenly across the sugar. You will see thousands of those tiny black dots in your sugar. It takes less than 1 minute. Now choose an airtight container so that all of that beautiful vanilla aroma stays in and doesn't evaporate into the air. To maximize the effect of the recipe, put the pods that you have scraped out into your container and then pour the freshly made aromatic vanilla sugar on top. Now, to give your work an appreciation, smell the homemade vanilla sugar. Aromatic vanilla. And you will see why I meant it is so beautiful to make such things yourself.